we have to focus on each and every type of questions, like from basic to harder one. If you know the concept of it, then you can just solve whatever it fits you or whatever the exam may be. You can fill it out. There's no separately fits you things and all. Okay. So we need to prepare from low level to high level. If you know the basic concept of NCERT and RS Agrawal, RD Sharma, whatever you want, and then we are doing IMOs, and then we have done so many questions, extra questions on each chapter, right? So like that only we can improve our things and knowledge, and by the help of this NCERT or whatever the books you are having, means we have to keep on solving the questions from low level to medium level to high level. Okay. So last time, which chapter we are doing, Mohit?
Sir, last time we were doing questions in number system.
Okay. So we'll start those means further that chapter only. Okay, because I just asked to search all the questions over there, but same thing I just got. You have to do accordingly what IMO and the extra questions. We'll keep on doing the questions. We'll twist the question in the between and then we'll do accordingly. Nines, then IMO part. Number system we have done last time, right? So till which question number we have done? We have done question number 23rd, right?
Yes, sir.
IMO, that is comparing quantities. 1 minute. So till 23 we didn't stuck anywhere, right? Children, all of you on the camera, I can't see so many people over here. Vivek, Sai, Ritvik, I can see, then Nishant, Mohit. Okay. Next is your number system. We have did till 23rd. You know AQ plus BQ formulas and all, you know, children, all of you? You know the formulas.
Yes,
AQ plus BQ. What is
yes,
the form?
sir.
Tell me AQ plus BQ formula.
A
Anya.
plus B in A square plus AB plus A is
Tell once again, come once again.
A plus B in brackets.
Okay. In other bracket.
Another bracket A square plus AB.
That's it.
Right. You're writing it down or just shall I
No,
say it
no,
over
no,
the-
no, only you should tell. That's it.
That's right. A plus B into A square plus AB plus B square.
1 minute. ये कहाँ से कहाँ पहुँच जा रहा है ये? Group periods and or it reached. You mean to say this one, Hania?
Yes, sir.
How many of you agree with Hania? Tell me, children. Or how many are not agree?
Sir, isn't it 2AB?
2AB. No. 2AB is also not correct. See,
Sir,
2AB
can you scroll away? I want to see the question.
question. This is not question. I'm asking the formula of AQ plus BQ. That's it.
Okay, sir.
I'm asking the formula only. Satvik, right on the camera, Satvik. Vivek, if you want to off the camera, please leave the meeting. If you're so AQ plus BQ formula. What is the formula for this?
A plus B
Sir,
whole cube minus 3AB into A.
Acha, you mean to say this one you are saying A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B you are saying, Nishant?
Minus 3AB into A plus B.
Minus 3AB into A plus B. No, this is here we are finding only A cube plus B cube.
In A cube plus B cube, it's minus AB. Sorry, by mistake I said plus.
Acha, minus AB will come.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is correct.
Yes, I just now went through my text.
Acha, okay. See how we are reaching to this. That is a more important. How we are getting this question means this answer for like this. Everyone knows a plus b whole cube formula, right, children? Everyone knows this formula.
Yes, sir.
So this
Yes,
one that
sir.
everywhere should write plus a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. This formula everyone knows for sure. Correct. Everywhere plus everywhere. And if you are just talking about a minus b whole cube, if a minus b whole cube, if you write, so where is plus plus, there you should write minus minus. That's the difference. Okay. So a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So a minus b whole cube everywhere, right? Now how we are reaching from here to this formula? Actually, see, first of all, what we can write for a cube plus b cube? The same formula, what we can write? A plus b whole cube and minus 3ab minus 3ab into a plus b. Can we write like this? Because what we are doing here is we are sending this one to the other side. This one we are sending to the other side of it. So this minus will get changed. Minus I have written here minus 3ab into a plus b. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now my question is, this is the formula of a cube plus b cube, right? So how we are reaching from this formula to this formula? This is both are correct. Both formulas are correct. This formula as well as this formula, both are what? Correct. So how we are reaching from this formula to this formula? Anyone can tell me? Think, children. How we can do from this formula to this formula? How we can reach? Can you solve in the notebook how we are solving from here to here? How we are reaching this? Say. Anyone can tell me? Vivek on the camera, Pulastya.
Sorry. Sir, I got disconnected. Sir. Sorry, sir.
Answer me. How we are reaching from AQ plus BQ? This formula to this formula. How we are reaching? Try, children. Try. It's very easy. It's very, very easy.
Sir, can we say that in a plus b whole cube, we have to subtract 3ab into ab, so we get a cube plus b cube, sir.
Tell once again. Come once again.
Sir, here we in a plus b whole cube, we
Hmm.
have a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So
Hmm.
when we're subtracting 3ab into a plus b,
Hmm.
then we are getting only a cube plus b cube, sir.
Acha. No. See here. What to do, children? All of you just concentrate over here. This is two parts. First part is here. And second part is here. What is common in this two? Can you think? What is common in this two? A plus B, this is whole cube. It means that A plus B, A plus B, A plus B. 3 times A plus B, right? And here is 1 times A plus B. Can we take A plus B common? See what we are writing over here. Can we take common or not in this two part? Children, can we take this? Sai Ritvik?
Yes, sir, we can.
Now, what is the pending in the first part? If you have taken A plus B common, then what is the pending in first part?
Sir, nothing.
Nothing
Sir,
is
a plus b whole square.
A plus B whole square will be pending, correct? Because see, Nishant, what is happening here?
Sir, both is not clear.
A
sir.
plus
Reply
B
again.
whole square. plus 3ab, right?
A plus B whole square we get,
A plus B whole square.
and minus 3AB, Hania, right? See, A plus B whole cube means A plus B, A plus B, A plus B. I should go very, this thing, very slow. A plus, kya ho raha hai baba? A plus B 3 times. And here is minus 3AB and into A plus B. So in this both part, what I have done, I have taken A plus B common. A plus B common. So this is common right now. What is pending in this? See.
A plus B whole square.
A plus B 2 times is there. So A plus B whole square is common. And from this part, 3AB is pending. It's clear now, Vivek?
Yes, sir.
Now see what we are doing here. Now you can bring. Now it's very easy to bring this. Now you open this bracket. You'll get to know. If open, you'll get A plus B. In other bracket, you'll get A square plus B square plus 2AB and minus 3AB. Can you get the same? Just go by the same route. Can you get the same now?
Sir, we're getting minus AB, right, sir?
Yeah, the answer should be
Yes,
minus.
sir. I
But on
said
the
that
top it's
only,
plus
sir, but
AB.
you wrote plus ab then.
No, what I did, no, I did control Z. That's why I become plus AB over there.
Acha,
Actually,
okay,
it's
sir.
minus. It's minus actually. I made over there control Z. When Hania told plus, that will only come. When I made minus, that is not there actually. So actually, it's minus AB only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now it's clear, children, how it is coming.
Yes, sir.
Now, same thing. If I ask you for AQ minus BQ, then what is the formula for this?
So
AQ
you
minus.
can just subtract it wherever there's plus, and in place of minus, add plus, add it.
Acha,
So
here.
A minus B into A square plus B square plus AB, sir.
A square plus B square plus AB. This is the correct answer. So here C cube is there, but here plus is there in between, but then also minus is coming. The children will get confused over here. So how it is coming, just try to understand. Is it clear to everyone how we are reaching to this? Okay, now we are doing the question now. Question number 20. Yesterday, which question we have done?
20.
23.
23rd. Now we'll do 24th one. Hey, 24th, fifth one I have taken, 24th first, right? See this question, solve all of you, what we can solve for this. A plus B whole square is 3. So AQ plus BQ, AQ plus 1 by AQ is equals to what? Satvik Nutakki, you are on, offing like that you are doing. Why?
Sir, not network problems, sir. I mean, my grandparents' house.
So background nothing is there now. What is the problem? If you are anywhere, wherever
No,
you
sir,
are.
like internet is going and coming, sir.
Hey, your voice is so clear and video is also not having problem.
Sometimes it's going, sir.
Okay. So don't off no. It will get off automatically, right?
Yes, sir, it's getting automatically off.
Arey? It get automatically off now. Satvik. Pulastya, where are you? Pulastya.
Yeah, just give me a second.
Second
camera.
over, Pulastya.
I'm just fixing my camera.
Tell me who can solve this question. 24th one, Hania, Saitritvik, Satvik. Tell me, can you solve this question?
Sir, I'm doing it.
Just a while.
Is it like this only? See, a cube plus 1 by a cube. It's like a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. Is the correct formula? Vivek? Understanding this? Now
Yes.
here we know a square plus 1 by a we know, right? So if you want to write this this one, what we can write? A plus 1 by a. Can we write like root 3? Can we write like this? Root 3? If you
sir.
remove a square, 3 root will come here. A plus 1 by a is root 3, right? And this part we got right now. Second part, a square plus 1 by a square. How we got this one? If you're squaring both sides, you'll get a square plus 1 by a square plus 2ab. Is it clear? Is equals to 3, right? Is it clear, children? If you're expanding this, a plus 1 by a whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab, and 2ab is nothing but a into 1 by a. So a will get cancelled, okay? So is equals to 2. Now what we can do is a square plus 1 by a square is equal to what do we get? 1. Is it clear, children? Is it clear?
Okay, sir. Yeah.
So here if you see a plus 1 by a whole square is equals to 1. If this part is 1, so 1 minus 1 is what? 0, right? So 1 minus 1, that is 0. And a plus 1 by a is root 3. The root 3 multiplied by...
Sir, how did you minus it by 1?
What? Where, Hania? Where you are having doubt?
1 minus 1. How did you get the other one? I got the first one, but I didn't get how you got the other one.
Acha. Means you are setting how 1 minus 1 we got. See,
Yeah.
this value you understood from here, that is 1 only from here.
Yes.
And formula is a square plus 1 by a square minus ab, right?
Yes, sir. I got
So,
it.
so a will get cancelled. So minus 1, and this value is already 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. And anything multiplied by 0 is 0. So answer is this one.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Hmm.
Sir, I didn't understand how it's plus 2. A square plus 1 by a square plus 2 equals to 3.
Acha, this
Sir,
one.
so how did it become 0?
How this becomes 0, right?
Yes, sir.
See, we have to find aq plus 1 by aq. Do you know the formula of aq plus 1 by aq, Nihar?
Yes, sir. X plus y into x square plus y square minus xy.
The same thing I broken here. So just see, I have break down into that part only. So in this question, it's given that a plus 1 by a whole square is equals to 3. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
can I write here a plus 1 by a is equals to root 3?
Yes, sir.
And again, if I expand the same part, Sai Ritvik, see here, this one I'm expanding. Arey yaar.
Sir, we can directly write, right? A square plus 1 by a square plus 2 is equal to 3.
That only I've written here.
Yeah.
So a square plus 1 by a square is equals to 1. We can write over here.
Yes, sir.
So the value only I'm putting over a plus 1 by a value is root 3 and multiplied by 1 minus 1. That is what?
Okay.
0.
Sir, okay. Sir, a plus 1 by a is root 3, right?
Yes.
Yeah, yes. Sir, so how is it 1 over there?
Where? This value you are saying, this one?
Yes, sir, there.
यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे ऊपर. What is the
Yes, sir,
value
that I
of?
got. Sir,
Which part?
sir, minus x minus a into 1 by a.
This one, AB. You told no,
Yes.
minus xy, x square plus y square minus xy, you only told no. So what is a and y? A and b, x and y is a and a only, no? A and 1 by a.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Sorry. Yes,
Hmm.
yes, I got confused.
Children, anyone having doubt where? Anywhere
Sir,
having doubt?
could you show me the simplification? How we got directly plus 2 equals to 3 a square plus.
Okay, see. If you want to see simplification, I'm going bit one step earlier. See. This is a cube. See a. Here I'm just writing here. See, first part is suppose x is equals to a is there and y is equals to 1 by a. This only whole cube we are doing, no, x cube and y cube, we are doing the same thing.
Yes, sir.
So formula I'm writing here. To see formula I'm writing, I'll write in x form. X cube plus y cube formula I'm telling you. X plus y in a bracket x square plus y square minus xy, correct? Now try to put the value. X is equals to what? A and y is equals to 1 by a. Compare now. This and this you compare. X square is a square. Y square is 1 by a square, right?
Yes.
And xy is means a into 1 by a. Now understood or not?
Understood, sir.
Now compare this thing with this. So your answer is 0. This is the correct answer.
Understood.
Nishant, it's clear to you, Nishant?
Yes, sir.
Pulastya, what happened? You didn't got till now. Your camera didn't got fixed.
Wait first. Can I once restart?
Leave, no problem. Pulastya, while joining the meeting, just keep the camera ready before only. You are joining the
Okay.
late, either joining the late. And second thing, you'll not keep the camera, you have to fix after joining the meeting, everything, huh?
Okay.
Try to come bit early. Try to come at sharp 8 o'clock, okay?
Okay, I'll come at sharp.
Fine. Now see, question number 25th. If both A and B are rational numbers, the value of A and B respectively are. Who will tell this answer? This is very easy question. This is easy for Hani, I think. ICSE board, so many questions, bundle of questions are there like this. In CBSE also they are there. Means if you practiced R.S. Agrawal and R.D. Sharma, NCERT, if you see, you will get hardly very easy sums. You will get somewhere 1 or 2 in NCERT. But in ICSE, lot of questions are there like this.
Sir, this can be sir, this we can do, sir.
Yeah, that's why. If you've done R.S. Agrawal also, or NCERT is also concept is there, but you might have not done so many questions. But we have done when who is attending the starting class like June, July around when I was teaching this chapter. So many questions we have done on this base. I think everyone left and went to first batch. I think those people are older. No, I just joined late this coaching. So Mohit, can you do this question? Mohit. Shriyanvi, you are there in the meeting when I was teaching this chapter. Did you remember, Shriyanvi?
Yes, I'm trying it now, sir.
Did you remember the concept what I was taught long back?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, tell me, Sriyanu, step by step, I'll solve with you only. Tell me what I need to do for here first, what we have to do.
I first was I done 3 minus root 5 by 3 plus 2 root 5 times 3 minus root
Hey, where it went all
3
this?
minus
Where it went all this?
Sir, question only not there.
the
Now it came.
yeah, I times that by 3 minus 2 root
Oh,
2
Acha,
by
wait.
3.
Here you are doing like this,
Sir,
Sriyanu,
I
right?
got the answer.
Okay, tell me the
The answer
option.
is A,
Sir, it's option. Oh.
I think.
Sir, A.
Okay, A option you are saying. Fine. So Sriyanu, we are saying mean to say like this, what I'm doing right now.
Yes, sir. Like something like that.
Miss children, why we are rationalizing? First, why we are converting
Yeah,
this one?
that one. Yeah, that.
Yeah, because we don't want the denominator to be in root.
We don't want the denominators are rational numbers, sir. Irrational number.
Yes. So we are converting into, we are multiplying, we are slicing this and with changing the sign. If here is plus, we are multiplying with minus and minus at numerator and denominator. So what do you get on multiplying 3 minus root 5 and 3 minus 2 root 5 divide by 3 square minus 2 root 5 whole square. Then on multiplication, what do you get? 3 3s are 9 minus 6 root 5, then minus 3 root 5 plus 2 5s are 10 divided by 9 minus 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So here answer will come 9 and plus 10, 19. 19 minus 6 3, 9 root 5 divided by minus 11, right? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So
Yeah,
here
sir.
option is given that A root 5 and minus B. It means that root 5 should come before and B should come afterwards, right? So what you do, just simply you should just multiply with minus sign numerator and denominator both. So what do you get? 9 root 5 minus 19 divided by 11. Is it clear, children, what I've did over here?
Yes, sir.
So now you just compare this and this. So don't compare right now also. If you want to compare, you can do right now. Again, what you can do is 1 minute.
9 by 11, comma 19 by 11.
So same. So see, this is nothing but 9 root 5 by 11 minus 19 by 11, correct? Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, you're on mute.
See now. So now we are comparing A root 5 and minus B over here. So if you remove A, see what, not remove A, only 5 root 5 you remove from here. So what do you get? A plus what you are getting? 9 by 11, right? So A is equals to what? 9 by
9,
11.
sir. 9 by 11, sir.
And B is equals to what you're getting? Minus
19 by 11, sir.
19 by 11.
plus 19 by 11. The 9 by 11, 19 by 11 is the answer for this.
Yes, sir. So this was easy only.
Easy only. So actually these questions are the hardest for class 9th. What they're asking in rationalization. Okay. Rationalization, they won't ask much heavy. See, this is easy, but it'll take time, bit time in exam. In hurry burry, you may do mistake. So anyone having doubt, children, anywhere in this?
No, sir.
Okay. Next question is 26th. See, ABC equals to what? A square B C cube is equals to 5 to the power 3. AB square is equals to 5 to the power 6. So ABC is equals to what? This is kind of different question. You can't think only, right? It's a given. If you start thinking this question, you can't think only, right, children? If A square BC cube, A square BC cube is equals to 5 to the power 3. And AB square is equals to 5 to the power 6. Then AB is equals to what? Anyone can tell me what to do this kind of question? Priyanshu, on your camera. Why you're off your camera today? Priyanshu. Sriyanvi.
Sir,
Yeah. What is the answer for this? How will try
Sir,
first?
but I have a problem, sir. I can't hear you also, sir, properly, sir. What should I do?
You can't hear me, Priyanshu.
No, sir, my network is today low, sir. I am, sir,
Achha.
connecting to another Wi-Fi, sir, but it's not working.
Achha, achha. Okay. Anyway, then off your camera, no problem. You may get a better voice after off the camera, right, Priyanshu? See, first of all, what children can try here? In this case, what you're
So can I
trying?
tell the answer? I found it.
Tell the answer then. Tell.
Yes, sir. So what we can. Oh, okay, sir. Sorry, sir. It was the wrong method. I found it was wrong.
How we can try? Tell me, Nihar, how we can try? How will grow? How we can start this question?
Sir, no idea.
From nowhere, you can't start only like AB square place, what to put here, AB square you should take, something like that. No, nothing is coming. But here there is
Sir, how
no.
about multiplying them?
So like we
We
can
get A
divide
cube,
by
B
A
cube,
and
C
multiply.
cube.
So that much I got. So like we can divide by A and multiply by B.
Divide is best option. Divide or multiply is best option. Divide also you can do if you want. A square BC to the power 3 divided by AB square. I think this is also good idea. So here A will get cancelled and B square B will get cancelled. Then what do you get?
ABC cube.
Achha, here we get only C to cube you get. Now we won't get ABC cube. C to the power 3 by B. The children
So we can
don't.
multiply.
Yeah,
We can multiply A
mul-
cube, like it'll become A cube, B cube, and C.
Yeah, multiplier is the best
equal
option.
to
Yes.
5/9.
Correct. The multiplying is the best option, children, over here. This is a first equation and this is a second equation. You multiply first and second. LHS part would be A square B C to the power 3 multiply by A B square is equals to 5 to the power 3 and 5 to the power 6.
Extra.
So here A to the power 3, B to the power 3, C to the
A
power
cube,
3.
B cube, C cube.
So here 5
So
to
it's
the
equal
power.
to 5/9.
Yeah.
So ABC is equal to 5/3, sir.
So here is 3 and here 5 to the power 9. What you're saying?
So the answer is 5/3.
How it will come 5 to the power 3?
Yes, sir. It's
Sir,
5 to
because
the power
5 power 3 whole power 3.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
If you write here A, B, C, then we know that if 3 will come to other side, it will come 1 by 3, correct?
Yes, sir.
So this many children doesn't know. That's why just try to understand, children. If x square is equal to 4, we are writing. It means that x is equals to 4 to the power 1 by 2. Last time also I told you, right? So x to the power 5 is 32. It means that x is equals to 32 to the power 1 by 5.
1 by
So like that only we are using here. The 3 3s are 9. So answer is 5 to the power 3.
5 power 3.
It's clear now?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So next question is bit harder question I'm asking you. One question all of you write. Like one question I'm giving from my end, that is question is, if 3 to the power 1 plus x, 3 to the power 1 plus x plus 3 to the power 1 minus x is equals to 10. The x is equals to question mark. Three to the power 1 plus x, 3 to the power 1 minus x is equals to 10. So what is the value of x over here? Sai Ritvik, how to do?
Sir, I'm not getting any idea.
Not getting any idea. Do something. It may be wrong. It may be wrong. No problem. If you try, then only you get something. Try something. See, when we are adding the powers, then also you can think. So if a to the power, sorry, x to the power a into x to the power b. In this case, what we are doing? X to the power a plus b. 1 minute here. Is it clear? Sai Ritvik, we are doing like this, no?
Yes, sir.
Sir, then it will come x 3 to the power of 1 plus x in plus 1 minus.
No. It's not like that. See, this is a form of like this. 8x to the power a
Sir,
plus
how
b.
can you change 10 into 3?
Change 10 into 3. I'm not changing anything now. I'm
Sir,
not here.
I
What?
think-
What?
sir, by the logic you have said, I think we can split them. I mean, 3 to the power 1 into 3 to the power x and 3 to the power 1 divided by 3 to the power x.
Honey, I'm telling only the one thing. Like this part, I'm just telling about this one. If it is x to the power a plus b is there, then we can split down into multiplication form. Like,
3 to the power 1 and into 3 to the power x.
Like this, I'm telling. And similarly for this one, 1 minus x, this is minus, means division part, right? So 3
Yes,
to the
sir.
power 1 divided by 3 to the power.
Sir, I got till 3 to the power x is equal to 10 by 3.
Acha, let me, this till here, anyone having doubt what I'm written till now? This is only laws of exponents. First and second law is easier law, right? So till here, anyone having doubt? No?
Then we can take 3 common.
3 common, yeah, you can take.
And then
3.
we can transport it to other side and then we can add those things.
Actually, you are saying like this, no? 3 to the power x plus 1 by 3 to the power x, like this, right?
Yes, sir, like that.
Acha, 10. So this one, if remove, we can write
Yes,
here
that
divide
goes
by
other side to 10 by 3. And then we take the LCM of that. So it will be 3 to the power x into 3 to the power x by 3 to the power x.
Okay, well, let me write what you are saying. Is equals to 10 by 3.
Yes, sir.
After this, you are saying we have to take LCM that, right?
Yes, sir. I took LCM.
The same thing we can do. So 3 to the power x means 3 to the power. If you take 3 to the power x, then you have to multiply 3 to the power x into 3 to the power x. It becomes 3 to the power 2x plus 1 is equals to 10 by 3.
Yes, sir, this much I got.
Now cross multiplication can do 3 into 2 to the power x plus 3 is equals to 10 into 3 to the power x. Clear? Hey, wait. Here we have done mistake. 1 minute. 3 to the power, no, 3 into 2. See here, children. We are multiplying this 3
3 to
with
the
this.
power 2x. So
So
3 into 3, yes, sir.
3 into 3 to the power 2x. It means that 3 to the power 1 plus 2x, children. Remember. So 3 to the power 2x plus 1. Here you may have doubt. I know that. If you multiply this 3 with this cross multiplication, just root cross multiplication, this one and this one. So what do you get? You will get this much. If you're not getting, then tell me, children. If you're not getting this much, then you tell me. I have done over here. If you multiply this and this, where power is getting added up. 1 plus 2x, we can write 3 to the power 2x plus 1. Is it clear to everyone? Or you can write simple also if you want. What you can do. If you don't want to multiply, you can do one more thing. Same thing, if you want to write, you can write in that way also. Like 3 and into 3 to the power 2x. Like this also you can write. Because here, that before also I told you the concept, Nihar. Like a 3 to the power x, we can let something, right? Did you remember that?
Yes, sir.
So 3 to the power x, what you want to let? Let something.
Sir, x.
X is there already. Take something else. A you take. Okay. So 3 x a to the power 2. Can we write like this? 3a to the power 2. And plus 3 is equals
Yes,
to
we can write
10a. Can we
Sir,
write?
we can write that.
So 3a square minus 10a plus 3 is equals to 0. Then you can bifurcate it. On bifurcation, you know how to bifurcate factorize, right? So 3a square,
Sir, it should be 9a square, right?
which one?
Yes, sir, it should be 9a square.
9a square.
Oh, no, sorry, sir. So, yes, sir, sorry.
See 3 to the
3a
power
square.
2x can be
Yes, sir,
written
3a
as,
square is correct.
yeah, 3 to the power x into 2, right? So this is a, the a square will come, correct?
Sir, we can factorize this now.
You can factorize this now. So it will come 3a square. Then what do you get? Minus 9a and again minus 9a. If you add, you will get like that. See, here multiplication is 9a square, and on addition you should get minus 10a. So what two factors we can take? Minus 9a and again minus a. If you add, you will get 9a. If you add, you'll get minus 10a, and if you multiply, you will get 9a square. Is it clear?
Sir, it can be x can be 3 or 1 by 3.
Yeah. So here we can take 3 common. So 3a common. So a minus 3 and 1 common, a minus 3 is equals to 0. So a is equals to 3 and minus 1 by 3. Sorry, plus 1 by 3. So 3 and 1 by 3 is the option. 3 and 1 by 3 is the correct answer. So all of you just check once, children, where you're having doubt or something like that. Just go through it once.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah, ask.
Sir, where you have written 3 to the power 2x plus 1 by 3 power x. The next step, however, where did the plus 1 go? I was confused there.
I have multiplied. Yellow, you can see now. Yellow, dirty fellow. Here,
Oh,
see. Here
okay.
and here, this is multiplied. What you will get?
Okay. I thought that was the exponent plus 1.
We did cross multiplication. That's it.
Okay. So we have cross multiplied and 10 and this one, right? 3 to the power x. Okay, sir. Understood.
So anywhere doubt, anywhere, this question was nice actually. You have to do this kind of question. Here bit, you may do mistake.
Sir, full mistake, sir, not a bit.
Full mistake only you will do in exam. That's why you have to practice a lot. Okay, next question shall I ask? Next question is 1 minute. One question I'm giving, another question not from my MO. This is question is like 2x minus 3y is equals to 10 and xy is equals to 16. You have to find the value of 8x to the power 3 minus 27y to the power 3.
Sir, what are we supposed to find in this question?
This only, no, 8x cube minus 27y cube. This only you should find.
Okay, sir.
Value of this. Two things are given. This one you should find.
Sir, can you hear me properly, sir? Now I've connected.
Yeah, super duper. Voice is so clear, Priyanshu.
Sir, you have to solve this question, sir, by ourselves.
Yeah, solve. Try from your side. Once.
Okay, sir, 1 minute.
Your network is proper. Which network you are using? Huh? Priyanshu?
What, sir?
Your network is awesome. Which network you are using now?
Sir, my Wi-Fi only, sir. I've shifted to another room, sir.
Acha, okay. You have not shifted to your neighbor's house, no?
I think
No,
I
sir.
got the answer.
What, Priyanshu?
What, sir?
No, me.
Yeah, you got the answer.
Yeah.
What is the
I
answer? Tell me.
think X is 8 and Y is 2.
X is 8 and Y. See this value I want. This value, whole value.
Oh, okay. Okay.
You can put the value if you want. X is 2 and whatever you are saying. You can put the value also if you want. That case also we can do. If you put the same value in this formula, then also you can get, right?
Yeah. I'm going to put it now.
Sir, is this 510?
What, Hania?
Sir, I've got the answer, sir.
Is it 510?
510. I don't know. I
Sir,
should
I've
solve
got the
this.
answer, sir.
What is the answer?
Sir, 3,880, sir.
3,880.
I
Yeah.
got 300.
1 minute.
3,367.
I got it 510.
Sir, I got, sir, 3,880.
Hello. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Priyanshu, what you're getting the answer?
Sir, 3,880.
Okay. Hania, you?
510.
Acha, okay.
So same here, 3880.
Baapre, super children. Awesome. Okay, which formula you are applying? Priyanshu.
Sir, is the answer 1480?
I'm sir cubing the both sides, sir. Then I'm using, sir, A minus B.
You have solved already,
I
Priyanshu.
actually cubed it.
Yes, sir. In copy.
Where you have solved?
Sir, in copy, sir.
In copy. Acha.
Sir, is the answer 1480?
I think children answer is 3880. What Priyanshu is telling. No, that is correct.
So unable to hear you.
Unable to hear me.
So could you show it
Now
one?
it's
Yeah, 1 minute. I'll solve here. So this is like, 8x cube is nothing but 2x cube and, minus 3y whole cube.
Sir, I did it the longer way, sir. I applied a cube, a minus b cube.
so I
So that's why
Acha.
I'm not able to get the answer.
So a cube minus b cube, what Hania, what happened to you? Hania, can you hear
so
me?
it's 1480.
I think Hania, it's 3880 only. How you have solved, tell me, Hania, where you did mistake, I'll just find it out. How you solved?
So like I took it as 2x minus b by
2x minus 3y. After this,
whole cube. I did that and equals to
tell equals to
8x cube minus 27y cube
x cube or 2x whole cube will come.
minus 27y cube minus 3 and 16 into 10.
1 minute, 1 minute. It will come like, it will come like this only, no? A cube minus b cube. Then after this, what you should do? After this, minus 3ab minus
8x cube
8x cube minus 27y cube minus 3ab. 2x into 3y, right? Into
Yes,
a plus a minus b. Like this only you have done.
oh, I found my mistake.
You have not done this one.
Sir, the answer I found again is 3880, sir.
Yeah, that is only
Yes,
correct
sir.
answer. That is only correct answer. So what you can do here, 8y cube, we have to find this value only, right, children? So simply we just put the value only. See, Nihar, 2x minus 3y whole cube is nothing but 10 to the power 3, correct?
Yes, sir.
And you bring this everything this side is equals to. So if I write like as it is, 8y to the power 3 and minus 27y to the power 3, minus 3 to the 6, 6 3 is 18. 18 into xy value is already given 16 only. And a minus value y is 10, correct? Hey, but something is not no. 3 3 is 9 to the
Sir, I
18.
didn't- okay, sir.
It's clear, no?
So I didn't even know that they had given the value of 2x minus 3y.
Acha. So here something big answer is coming. How is it so? Same answer, children?
Sir, we have to do
3880 as correct only then. If you multiply, you'll get 1000 is equals to 180, 18 into 16. 18, 16. 108 and 18, right? So 882, 288, 2880
then we'll get 380.
in minus, and this value will come this side. 3880 will get. So this was the easy method, but how people are solving in seconds, that I don't know. I think they are putting whole effort, right, Priyanshu?
Sir, I've just done, sir, cubing the both sides, sir, then I get the answer, sir.
Correct. Cubing the both side, you'll get the answer, right? They like this only, no? What I have done here.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So till last question, which question we have done right now? Last question we have done 26th one. 27th question.
Sir, can you once show, sir, this question, sir, 3x plus 1, sir. I will take screenshots.
Which one? 3x plus 1. Which one you are
Yes,
saying?
sir.
3x
Sir, I've
plus.
given one question, no, sir. Not from IMO, sir.
Achha, this one you are saying.
Yes, sir.
This one I should make bigger, then I should go a bit. Take screenshot this much. After this, you can solve, I think.
Okay, sir.
children, what children are doing sometimes, few children may do like this. If I type the question over here, if I tell something, they start typing on Google. If you Google it, children that trust me, you will never improve. If you try to go on Google, your mind will not respond to the questions immediately in the exams. Remember that. If you press your mind, if you apply brains, it'll take late, not a problem. Don't get the answer. Here, award is not given to you, right? So what you do is just make pressure on your brain so that your mind will start thinking. Why you are not able to think that? I'm giving time, plenty of time to think about this, right? If you see the Google directly and tell to me, so what is the use of it? There's no use. You never improve that in that way. Google is the last option when everyone is not getting the answers. If you see the Google means your mind will not get, mind will not think only, children, not think any other question. Always you will dependent on Google. Question has come, sir, answer is this. See, I will be happy. Children will think, this guy is very smarter. But the exam time, what happened? You can't express yourself at that point of time. Few children will be like that. They won't answer anything in the class. But they'll concentrate on the studies only. Okay. And exam time, they'll do so well. And few children will always be topper in the class. Means they'll tell this answer, this answer. Exam time gone. Online class, mainly I've seen in online classes. What happens? The children who are answering no in online classes, when they come physically to coaching classes and all, they won't answer. Not a single question also. I've seen so many children. So don't try to do that.
Why, sir?
What happened, Priyanshu?
Means, sir, why you not answering in physically?
Because in the home they'll Google directly and answer the pata, sir, I know everything. I know everything, sir. I know everything. And while coming to the coaching, if you ask a single depth of formula also, small question, then gul, kuch bhi nahi aata. Sir, I forgot everything, sir. Sir, what to do, sir? Like that it happens.
Okay.
So take your tone. Don't answer is not coming, not a problem. Try to think at least what we can do. If you see the Google, no use of it. You can't think. Remember, children. It may be
Sir,
less.
I found the answer for the 27th question. It's option A.
Option A. Okay, what you
Yes,
have done?
Sir, if you can see, A power X is equal to C power Q, which is equal to B, and C power Y is equal to A power Z, which is equal to D. So, sir, when we remove the bottom terms, X is equal to Q and Y is equal to Z. So, if we multiply X into Y, is equal which it will be equal to Q into Z. So, XY is equal to QZ. Hence proved.
Achha, you mean to say that here is A to the power X.
But they have not given that.
Yeah, they are equal. They are equal. They are not given.
I did not understand.
Yes, sir.
They have not given that, so that's what you have to
see. If they give here, if A to the power X,
Sir, I did not understand, sir.
I also not understand. How you can understand? Priyanshu, I only not understand. Let me discuss what he's telling. A to the power X is there. If this is equal to A to the power Z, then you can write X is equal to Z, right? Mohit?
Acha, okay, sir.
The relation they have given in this way, this all three are mutually equal to each other. This is separate thing. They have not given A to the power X and this both are equal.
Acha, okay, sir.
So next, what we can do, what we can think.
Sir,
Children,
how about option B?
How we are getting option B? I can tell. I don't know. I should solve only.
Because, sir, we can say that X, sir, when we try to cross multiply, X is equal to Z and Y is equal to Q, sir.
What X is equal to Z? and y is equal to q.
Oh, that's not also possible, sir.
So what to do? Children, now how many questions are still pending in this? 27 is there, no?
Sir, time is over. Sir.
1 minute, Priyanshu. See, children, there are 40 questions in this. Okay. Page number, which page number is this? All of you are having the IMOs, right? On your WhatsApp, or you're having the IMOs, right? Page number 9 and page number 8, 9. Page number 8 and 9. Okay. Solve page number 8 and 9 from this. And if you're having doubt, you should ask in the next class. And before this, you have to send me. Okay. You have to send me personally. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Before
Sir,
the
from 29 to 40.
From 27 to 40. Okay. Page number 8 and 9 of IMO section.
Okay.
Okay. So remember, children, I'm messaging in the group also. Okay, this is the homework and what we have discussed today. So please be prepared if you're not submitting anything. So now those things will be getting posted every time you have not done the homework and all everything. So be prepared for it. Okay.
Sir, I do not have the IMO book. Can you please send it to my number?
You can just send me hi to my number. I'll just send you back.
Okay,
Or Priyanshu. Priyanshu.
Yes, sir.
You just send me hi once because I've not saved your number. I will same thing I'll send to them also because I sent to you once, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Or I'll send to the group only. Tell me hi, that Priyanshu. I'll just put to the
Sir,
same.
sir, I will send in the group, sir.
Fine, Priyanshu. That better.
Okay.
Right now, listen. Otherwise, they'll forget.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I will send, sir.
Okay, children. All of you can leave for the day. Thank
Okay,
you
sir.
all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.